Okay guys, today I would like to unbox the item that I just received just now. It is a CCTV, or it's a camera, analog camera, 5 megapixels, from China. It is a varifocal camera. For your information, I also already done the review or testing on HIK Vision camera, which is this one, 5 megapixel with the DVR or NVR. You can check on my previous video the quality of this camera. I'm happy with this. I bought this one for the sake of to test whether the quality of different brand is okay or not. Well, this is a bit special than this one. This is fixed length, which is at 2.8 mm, and this is very focal, I think from 2.8 to, can't remember, but I will check. I'll do unboxing on it. Right, let us open the box. Okay, this is the box. I will check inside. It comes with manual. It says that it is a weatherproof camera. I think it is a very simple one sheet camera. Specification on it. It's a 2.8 to 12 mm lens, 42 pieces of infrared LED. Yeah, this is the model. It says that it is HD and IP66 and 5 megapixel. We'll check. Well, this is the camera. It comes with the OSD. So it is, well, this is quite big. It comes with in the box. It comes with camera, connectors, manual, one piece of manual, and screws, Allen key, wall plug. That's it. This is HIK Vision. It comes with camera, and the OSD controller is inside here. This is secured to the weather, so the rain. And we can compare the size of this camera and this camera. Oh, you can see this is quite big. I don't know about the quality of the images. Right, I will try this both on the DVR. We can compare the quality of the video. Right, thank you. This is the unboxing. Bye.